Welcome to This Explainer. Has modern DNA finally unmasked history's most infamous serial killer? Let's dive in. Back in 2014, global headlines totally exploded. A new book claimed DNA had finally unmasked Jack the Ripper.
The suspect, Aaron Kosminski. He was a 23-year-old Polish barber and actually one of the original police suspects.
So the terror began in 1888, when 5 women were brutally murdered in the streets of Whitechapel.
This unsolved autumn of terror sparked an absolute media frenzy, exposing the brutal poverty of London's East End.
The legend really kicked off when a taunting letter to a news agency coined that terrifying moniker.
Then came September 30th. 2 women were killed in a single night, Catherine Eddowes being the second.
Nearby, a bloody apron piece lay right beneath a cryptic chalk message, the Goulston Street Graffito.
Fearing anti-Semitic riots, the police commissioner actually ordered this crucial message erased immediately before dawn.
Now, the modern claim of solving this entire case rests on just one thing: a silk shawl.
Supposedly taken from Eddowes' crime scene, this shawl was bought in 2007 and given some DNA testing.
The author claimed a perfect match to Kosminski's descendant, but honestly, the scientific community strongly pushed back.
Here's the catch, though. The test used mitochondrial DNA, which is shared by thousands of different people.
Experts note this type of DNA can reliably exclude suspects, but it definitely can't pinpoint just one person.
One critic even stated the openly handled shawl likely contains genetic links to 150 other local men.
Plus, it was severely contaminated. The unwashed shawl was handled completely openly by the victim's own descendants.
To make matters worse, scientists caught a massive 0.8% decimal error in the published data.
That wild decimal error meant the DNA signature wasn't a rare match at all, but a highly common one.
The very journal that published the study even issued an official expression of concern over the original data.
So, between contaminated evidence and common DNA, the scientific consensus basically rejected the Kosminski shawl theory entirely.
Which leaves us all wondering, who truly was the unidentified phantom that stalked Whitechapel?